As the iPhone Flip sits on the sidelines, plenty of new developers are causing the competition for the best foldable phones to heat up. Google's release a foldable phone to take on the top devices from Samsung, and devices from Motorola and OnePlus could soon follow. It could make for a very crowded market for foldables, before Apple even comes out with its device. But even with things pretty quiet on the iPhone Flip front, that doesn't mean there isn't movement happening in the background. While the focus this year appears to be on the iPhone 15 launch in the fall, it's widely accepted that Apple's going to get into foldables eventually. Apple foldable phone patents, along with concept drawings from independent designers, suggest that Apple can really make its mark with the iPhone Flip, or iPhone Fold, if Apple opts for that name. Please like this video if you are an iPhone lover. Let me know in the comments section what you are looking out for in this new flagship, and if you haven't subscribed already, then hit subscribe button now, so you don't miss a thing in the future. The first foldable iPhone, according to Ming Chi Kuo, will have a massive 8-inch display. That would be bigger than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which has an expanded 7.6-inch display. The 8.3-inch iPad mini would be roughly the same size as an 8-inch display. According to a different story, Apple and LG may be developing a 7.5-inch OLED foldable display panel. For the iPhone design, Jon Prosser claims that Apple tested two different models of the iPhone Flip. A hybrid tablet that folds out, akin to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series. Another flip phone with a clamshell style similar to the Galaxy Z Flip line. According to those same sources, Apple will move on with the clamshell design even though it is still early in the development cycle and things may change. For the storage, it was rumored that the iPhone Flip 15 will come with a hexa-core and the Apple A17 Bionic processor we used in the iPhone 15 Flip, 4 nanometers, Apple GPU 5-core graphics, visuals are included with that. There are 4 versions of this phone. The memory consists of 8 GB of RAM and 126 or 256 or 512 GB of internal storage. iOS 16 is used on the Apple iPhone 15 Flip mobile device. For the iPhone 15 Flip battery life, the LiPo 4000 mAh non-removable battery in the iPhone 15 Flip is what powers the device. Quick charging at 30 watts, MagSafe wireless charging at 15 watts, Qi magnetic fast wireless charging at 7.5 watts, and USB power delivery 2.0. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.